Γεια σας, καλημέρα, welcome. My name is Stalo, με λένε Stalo, and today you are in for a treat. I'm vacationing in Cyprus, the beautiful island in the Mediterranean Sea. Η Kipros, Cyprus. So I thought that it would be nice to take a leisurely stroll together through Nicosia, the old town of Nicosia, within the Venetian walls. We will also talk a little bit about the walls, and as always, we will take a look at some useful vocabulary along the way. Ready? Let's go! Πάμε! Nicosia is the capital of Cyprus, and it's the only town that is not by the sea. Η Lefkosia. The old town is surrounded by walls. Το τείχος, plural, τα τείχη. Το τείχος, τα τείχη. The first walls were built in the Middle Ages, but were completely rebuilt by the Venetians in the mid-16th century. The walls are among the best preserved Renaissance fortifications in the eastern Mediterranean. The walls have a circular shape and the circumference is about 3 miles. They have 11 bastions, which are for the most part intact. Ο προμαχώνας. Here you can see how the walls looked in the 16th century, and you can see the 11 bastions too. This is a Google map of Nicosia in the satellite view, where you can see clearly the circular shape of the walls. And this is a close-up of Eleftheria Square, which we will see in a little bit, with a bastion on each side. So these are the walls. Το τείχος, τα τείχη. Not to be confused with the walls of a building. Ο τείχος, plural, η τείχη. Ο τείχος, η τείχη. This is the moat, η τάφρος. Η τάφρος. And this is a bastion, ο προμαχώνας. Ο προμαχώνας. In the old days, they used to fill the moat with water from the river to prevent the enemies from reaching the town within the walls. In the background, you get a glimpse of Eleftheria Square, η πλατεία Ελευθερίας. Η πλατεία Ελευθερίας. Η πλατεία. Η πλατεία. Η ελευθερία. Η ελευθερία. The area of the moat below the square has a beautiful park with coffee shops, a play area for kids, fountains, trees, and trails for walking and jogging. There are many functions and recitals that take place in the moat, especially in the summer. The moat has a width of about 260 feet, and the square spans the width of the moat. Now we are within the walls. You will see a lot of pigeons here and there. Το περιστέρι. Το περιστέρι. The two main streets in Nicosia within the walls are Lydra Street and Onasagorou Street. They are both only for pedestrians, except for a few hours every day, early in the morning, so that restaurants and other establishments can get their deliveries. This is Lydra Street. Η οδός Λίδρας. Η οδός Λίδρας. Lydra was an ancient city kingdom located in the center of Cyprus, where Nicosia is today. The only known king of Lydra was Anaxagoras in the 7th century BC. This is Anaxagorou Street. Η οδός Anaxagorou. Η οδός Anaxagorou. Named after Anaxagoras, the only known king of Lydra. This is a portico, a carved walkway between two buildings. The Greek word is istoa. Istoa. This specific one connects the two main streets, Lydra Street and Anaxagorou Street. This is λαϊκή γειτονιά. Η λαϊκή γειτονιά. Literally, the neighborhood of the people. It used to be a very lively place, bustling with people, full of restaurants, bars, souvenir shops. In the recent years, however, some of those places have closed down, and the area is not as busy anymore. Hopefully that will change because it used to be very beautiful. Καφενείο. Το καφενείο means coffee shop, but it means the old-fashioned coffee shop where men used to go in the old days and women would stay home. Nowadays, the word καφενείο is not used much anymore, except maybe in little villages. But it can be used sometimes as a reminder of the traditional coffee place, like this little coffee shop here. The modern word for a coffee shop is το καφέ or η καφετηρία. Το καφέ, η καφετηρία. And this is a place where anyone can go, young and old, women, men, and children. Here comes my favorite ice cream, Papafilippou. For me, it's the best, and you can find it everywhere, all over Cyprus. My favorite flavor is παγωτό φράουλα, strawberry ice cream. Το παγωτό, το παγωτό. Η φράουλα, η φράουλα. Put it on your list to try when you visit Cyprus. You will love it. This is another very well-known ice cream shop, Iraklis. Iraklis. It's very good, but I prefer Papafilippou. Tucked away in another part of old Nicosia It's a cute bookshop, cafe, reading place, all in one. It's called το Έρμα. It's really worth visiting. This is the church of Φανερωμένη. Η εκκλησία της Φανερωμένης. Η εκκλησία της Φανερωμένης. Here is another Greek tavern, and right across from it is the ice cream shop of Iraklis. Τα σουβλάκια, τα σουβλάκια. Οι τηγανιτές πατάτες, οι τηγανιτές πατάτες. Τον τζαντζίκι, τον τζαντζίκι. What you see here is the table paper cover at a tavern where the food is really good, by the way. Look what it says. Μαγειρεύω με κρασί. Μερικές φορές το βάζω και στο φαγητό. Μαγειρεύω με κρασί. Μερικές φορές το βάζω και στο φαγητό. I cook with wine. Sometimes I put it also in the food. So in the evening, there are tons of people everywhere, walking, sitting in the streets, eating, drinking, and enjoying live music. It's a very festive atmosphere. This guy is also filming. We are back at Eleftheria Square. And look at these beautiful balconies. And here is the moat with soft blue lights and fountains at night. It looks really gorgeous. A lot of people are walking and taking pictures and enjoying the beautiful, warm Nicosia night. That's all for today. Did you like our little stroll through the old town of Nicosia? I hope so. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost anything. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.